I guess in this video I'm going to discuss about color dialog in C#.NET Windows Form. So here go to toolbox and here write to color dialog. So here this is the about color dialog box. Display display available colors along with the controls that enable user to define custom colors. So this is the things. So here let's drag this color dialog box in the form. So here this is color dialog and select this color dialog 1. So this is the name of color dialog box. So here color dialog 1 and here this all are properties. So here you can get to different color like maroon, dark red. Here lots of colors are available. Select anyone, whatever you like. Here this is the name of color dialog. If you want, then you can give any meaningful name. And here generate member true. So in this example, I'm going to show you how to use color dialog box. So for this, we need to take two button control. So this is a button 1 here, button 2. Now hereafter, I'm going to take one list box. So here list box it's not showing, so I'm directly going to search. So this is a list box, and here I'm going to next take a combo box. So here combo box. About the list box and combo box I already discussed in my previous videos. So here about the list box. So you can add the items in list box by three ways. First is by coding, next by using our database, and here you can directly add the items in the list box by clicking on edit items. So add into the string in the collection, so one per line. So here I'm going to write emp name and here giving name Misa, Sammy, Nikki, Remy. So this is the name I intro. So this go to list box 1, and here for the same thing in the combo box. So combo box you can also add the items by using three ways. Use bond. So here from here you can use enter items by database source, and next is by coding, and about here third is edit items. So I already discussed how to add the items by database and by coding in. So if I'm going to show you the two ways like by coding and database, so that takes more time. So that I'm going to select edit items. So from here you can add the item within 1 minute. So here I'm going to enter emp id. So here 1 2 3 1 2 4. So this is only 30 seconds it's take, and here the item added. Now from here what I'm going to do, so this when I click on button 1, so if I click on the button 1, then the color dialog box open, and here the color of text get changed, and here if I click on button 2, then the color dialog box open, and if I select any color, so the background color will change. So let's write the code for this. So I'm going to click on button 1 and here writing color dialog. So here this is the color dialog. So this is the things about color represent a common dialog box that display available colors along with the content that the user define the custom. So whatever the available colors available in color dialog, so that we can select and use according to our requirement. And color dialog is the class. So here I'm going to create the class C1 by using new keyword, again color dialog. Now Hereafter, going to write if statement, and here if statement using object C1, and here so dialog. So one method available. So here this is the method so dialog runs a common dialog box with the default on off. So here this things if c1.show dialog equal to dialog result. Say what the dialog result specify identify to indicate the return value dialog box. So if both are matched, and here we have to use OK. So dialog box return OK, usually send button or level control. So here if this one and this one both are equal, then that go inside, and here I'm using combo box. So first is combo box. The combo box foreground color that changes. So we're going to use foreground, your for color. So foreground color change by using for color, and your c1 dot color. So color is the class get and set the colors by the user, and hereafter going to use list box dot for color and c1 dot color. So this is the code inside button. Now hereafter let's go to button tier, and here I'm going to use again the same thing. So let's copy this to save the tabs, and here we need to change only the object name. Set here, set now the object name has been changed. So this is the same thing, and one more thing here I'm changing foreground color. So next here if I click on button 2, so I'm going to change background color. Back color here same thing, back color. Now let's execute the code. So here see background color is white and here the text black. The same thing here, background color or white and text in black. So if I click on button 1 control, so we have just open at your color dialog box. So whatever color you like you can select from here. So I'm going to select yellow, and if you click on OK, so if that OK match, then here or just I click OK. So see at here the color or change, text color change, foreground color change. So it's not so visible. So again I'm going to click, and here this time going to take red. So see at here this color or text change. So this is the thing. If I click on button 2, so again color dialog box it's open. So here from here you can change the background color. So selecting blue, here this is the thing. So it's also not suitable, so I'm going to change the color. So see at here this is. So this is about the color dialog box. You can change the color of any control. So this time I have taken combo box and here list. Okay, here this is a list box. Here this is a combo box. So whatever you like you can select add here. And one more thing, if you want here define custom colors, so you can change, you can take any custom color. So going to take this one and here. Okay, so see at here custom color get changed. So this is the example of color dialog to take any color for controls, and with the help of color dialog, so you can change the background and foreground color of any controls and text here. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So if you have any doubt about this video, so leave a comment, definitely I will reply. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching, see you next video. Thank you.